Hey guys, Carlos here with a new video and a new guitar, and today we have a special one. I know I always say that, but this is truly special because this is the first guitar I make with koa wood. If you don't know koa wood, let me tell you a bit about it before I show you the guitar. Koa wood, it's native to Hawaii. It only grows there. It is very sought after in the guitar community, and it is very scarce and very expensive. To give you an idea, guitar tops can range between $300 to $800 and beyond, and that is only for the top. Okay, so let me tell you more about this guitar. This guitar, as I mentioned, has a koa top, a mahogany body. I still have to make the cover for the electronics, but it's going to have a translucent cover so you can see inside. The neck is also mahogany with hip shot locking tuners. The fretboard is ebony with cream binding. The body also has cream binding. And if you see, there's something different about this guitar, and that is the pickguard. It doesn't have one. And that's because the client wanted to highlight the wood as much as possible. He wanted to be unencumbered, so we got rid of the pickguard, move the controls back a bit, and that way the wood really stands out. Another special thing about this guitar are the pickups. These pickups were made with the same piece of koa as the top. These were made by Josh at Righteous and Pickups. This is a custom set for the client. On the neck, there's a Brielle humbucker, and on the bridge, it's a gold tooth humbucker. It's called like that because if you see, one of the poles is gold and the others are chrome. And I think that's very cool. Okay, so let's hear how this sounds. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll promise I'll try my best to upload videos more regularly. And also, if you want to see more of my day-to-day in the shop, as well as see more guitars I've built in the past, follow us on Instagram at patagramguitars.com. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.